Let me tell you about this deal we just closed. So, beautiful house, 3,000 plus square feet, huge garages on 5 acres. Seller came to us through our website and had some issues. They're out of state already. They had some debris left of the property they need to keep there, and it needs some roof repairs and some other things done. So it wasn't traditionally lendable. They needed the cash fast, and so they knew who to call. They reached out to us. We contracted on this property. We put it out to our buyer list, and actually, an agent brought us the buyer, contracted on it. We teamed up with one of our preferred hard money lenders, and we got this thing closed in like 3 weeks. So seller got the cash they needed, buyer got a killer deal, and the agent got paid out their full 3% commission on this deal and didn't have to do anything but just turn over the buyer to us, and we handled it from there. So agents, if you run into distressed property, needs cash offers, we're happy to work with you and pay your commission. And then homeowners and sellers, you need a cash offer, you need to move quick, as is, we're your team.